Hello friends and my dear students, myself Dr. Irfan Shiledar, Faculty of Commerce, LK Khoth College of Commerce, Shankeshwar. Today I am going to explain about regression analysis. It is very important for your examination. Maybe ask section C or case study. Now we'll move for directly problem. The problem is, from the information given below, they are providing x as well as y. In x we are having 10 attributes or 10 observations. Y also having 10 observations. After that they are given some questions. The first question is, calculate a regression equation x on y as well as y on x. Now x on y having a different formula, y on x also having a different formula. After that, next question is, estimate y when x is 69. Now one by one we will move for that. First we will move for x on y, after that y on x. The solution is, they are given x observations as well as y observations. First, capital X is there, capital Y is there. First we should calculate x bar value as well as y bar value. Without x bar, without y bar, we cannot find small x as well as small y. Now first we will calculate the x bar value. How to calculate the x bar value? First we should calculate all the x observations, that is called summation x. Total observations we are having, on that time we should total it, that is the summation x. Total we are having 652. Y also having a summation, y also having a 1170. Now first we should calculate x bar value. X bar formula is summation x divided by n. Summation x already we are find here. Now n means here total number of observations of x. Now summation x value is 652 and n is 10. Now 652 divided by 10 equal to 65.2, or you should take a round figure, that is a 65. It is a x bar value. Now come to the y bar value. Now here y bar formula is y bar equal to summation y divided by n. Now the summation y value is 1170 divided by n is 10 equal to, the y bar value is 117. After that we will move for to calculation of small x. Without x bar we cannot calculate small x. Without y bar we cannot calculate small y. Now one by one we will move for that. How to calculate small x? Now small x equal to x minus x bar. X value is 61 minus x bar value is 65 equal to minus 4. Then same, x value is 68 and x bar value is 65 equal to 3. Now same 68 minus 65 equal to 3. After that 64 minus 65 equal to minus 1. Next 65 minus 65 equal to 0. Next 70 minus 65 equal to 5. Next 63 minus 65 equal to minus 2. Then 62 minus 65 equal to minus 3. After 64 minus 65 equal to minus 1, and last observation is 67 minus 65 equal to 2. We have got a x values. Next we will move for the small y. Now here if you want to find the small y value, the formula is y minus y bar. Y bar value is 117. Now first value 112 minus 117 minus 5. Next 123 minus 17, that is a 6. 130 minus 17, that is a 13. 115 minus 17, that is a minus 2. 110 minus 117, that is a minus 7. 125 minus 117, that is a 8. 100 minus 117 equal to minus 17. 113 minus 117 equal to minus 4. 116 minus 117 equal to minus 1. Last observation, that is 126 minus 117 equal to 9. Now here we got the values x as well as y. If you got small x and small y, you can calculate, you can find very easily xy value, x square value as well as the y square value. First we should calculate xy value. Okay, now here we are find x as well as y. The x value is minus 14 and y value is minus 5. Now when you are calculating, multiplying the values, you should concentrate where positive value is there and where negative value is there. Now here both values are negative, that is a minus into minus plus. 4 5s are 20. Next 3 into 6, x value is 3 and y value is 6, that is a 18. Next x value is 3 and y value is 13 equal to 39. Next x value is minus 1, y value is minus 2, minus into minus plus, and the value is 2 1s are 2. 0 into minus 7 comes 0. Next 5 into 8 40. Next minus 2 into 17 34. Next minus 3 into minus 4 equal to 12. Next minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Next 2 into 9 equal to 18. Now we are got a xy values. You should calculate, you should add it. Now here we got summation xy value is 184. Next come to the x square value. Now we are having a x square, x value you should calculate square. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. 0 into 0, 0. 5 into 5, 25. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. And last observation is 2 into 2 is 4. Totally we are having summation x square value is 78. Now same we are moving for y square. Now we are getting here y value. Now you should multiply. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. 13 into 13, 169. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Minus 7 into minus 7, 49. 8 into 8, 64. Minus 17 into minus 17, 289. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. And last observation is 9 into 9, 81. Now here we got y square. You should add it. Summation y square value is 734. Now here we have got small x values, small y values, small xy values, x square values and y square values. After that, second step, that is to calculation of regression equation x on y. Regression equation x on y. Now here we are having one simple formula. When if ask x on y, the formula is x equal to a plus by. It is a very frame table, a frame formula of x on y. Next, the main formula is when x on y is there, first x minus x bar equal to b xy bracket y minus y bar. We don't know x value. We are having x bar value. We are having y bar value. We don't know y value. After that, how to simplify the bxy? Now here they are given bxy equal to summation xy divided by summation y square. Now in previous problem, now here the x bar value is 65 is there, x bar value is 65, y bar value is 117, next xy value is 184, now see the first one is summation xy value is 184 divided by summation y square value is 734 equal to 0.25 your value. Now here x we don't know, should put same x minus x bar value is 65 equal to bxy value we are find here 0.25. Next y value we don't know. Next minus y bar value is 117. After that you should simplify. Next, x put same, minus 65 also put same. Now if bracket is there, you should multiply 0.25 into y, 0.25 y, plus into minus, minus 0.25 into 117, 29.35. After that x equal to minus 65 here goes that side, that is a plus 65 plus 0.25y put same, minus 29.25 put same. After that x equal to, here 65 is there as well as 29.25 is there. The highest value is positive, plus 65 minus 29.25, that is comes 35.75 plus 0.25y put same. Now here the main formula is x equal to a plus b y. X value we don't know, a value is 35.75 plus b value is 0.25 y. Now it is a regression equation x on y. Now come to the regression equation y on x. Here opposite to x on y, where x you are putting no on that type, you should put a y. Now the formula is y equal to a plus by or bx. Now the regression equation y on x. Now the formula is y plus y bar equal to byx bracket x minus x bar. Now how to simplify the byx? Equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. See here, when if you are simplifying bxy, you are putting bxy divided by xy square. But here when you are simplifying byx equal to summation xy divided by x square. Now summation xy value is 184 and summation x square value is 78, and we have got the value of 2.35. After that you should put all the values, all the respective formula. Now first y put same, y bar value is 117, byx value is 2.35 bracket x value put same, minus x bar value is 65. Next y minus 117, here bracket is there, you should multiply 2.35 into x, 2.35x plus into minus 2.35 into 65, 152.75. Next y put same, minus 117 goes that side, that is converted to the plus. After that plus 2.35x put same, minus 152.75. Now when you are calculating, subtracting or adding, on that time you should take care about the values. Now here 117 is a positive value, minus 152.75 is a highest value. Now minus 152.75 minus 117, we have got a minus 35.75, or you should calculate now 117 minus 152.75, we got minus 35.75. After that you should put plus 2.35x. Now what we required? Y. We required y is there, here y is there. We need a value. A value is minus 35.75. B value is 2.35, and x is available. Now it is a regression equation y on x. First question is over. Second question is estimate y when x is 69. See, here we are having a question. Second question, estimation y when x is 69. We should calculate y. Y is there. Now y minus 35.75 value is there, plus 2.35, and x value is there given 69. After that y equal to minus 35.75 plus 2.35 into 69, we have got 162.15. After that plus or minus 35.75 plus 162.15, or you can move for 100 and plus 162.15 minus 35.75, and we have got a value is 126.4. This is the second question, estimation. Sometime they will ask estimate to x when y is 70. Okay, they are given different values or different questions in the different problem. Now here your regression equation case study is over. If you like, please subscribe and forward to your faculty group as well as your respected students. Thank you to listen my regression analysis problem.